If you want someone to keep thinking about you throughout the day, the key is to leave a lingering emotional impact that stays in their mind. By appealing to their emotions, curiosity, and subconscious desires, you can create a mental loop that makes them obsess over you. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Create emotional highs and lows. When you interact with someone, ensure you create an emotional roller coaster. People are more likely to keep thinking about you when they feel a mix of emotions, especially emotions they can't easily categorize. One moment make them feel warm and cared for, and the next moment give them a sense of uncertainty or distance. This unpredictability makes them constantly evaluate their feelings toward you and keeps you on their mind. Step 2. Leave unanswered questions. Another way to get someone to think about you all day is to leave them with questions or mysteries that need to be solved. This could be as simple as hinting at something you've done in your past, talking about something exciting you plan to do, or leaving a conversation unfinished. The brain naturally craves closure, and if you don't give them all the answers, they will obsess over the missing pieces and keep thinking about you, trying to figure you out. Step 3. Be the source of positive emotions. When someone associates you with positive feelings, they're much more likely to think about you regularly. Create emotional highs for them, whether through compliments, shared laughs, or exciting experiences. The more positive memories they have of you, the more their brain will be inclined to revisit those emotions, keeping you in their thoughts throughout the day. By creating emotional highs and lows, leaving unanswered questions, and being a source of positive emotions, you can get someone to think about you all day. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.